Curve flat creates a single-sided strip of polygons along an editable curve. Changing your draw size will change the size of your polygons. Curve flat snap is similar to the curve flat brush with the added ability of snapping to your surface. Curve lathe allows you to draw free-form curves that revolve around the flat side of your curve to create custom cylindrical shapes. Open the stroke menu and expand the curve tab. Next, enable both bend start and bend end, as well as lock start and lock end. Now your curve lathe will stay in position while editing. Curve multi-tube allows the creation of multiple editable curve tubes. Changing the size, alpha, and more will affect all active curves. Curve pinch creates a consistent pinch crease along your curve. With the curve place, experiment with its focal shift and its Z intensity for different looks. When done editing, click anywhere on your mesh to commit your curve. Curve quad fill will turn your curve into a quadded flat piece of geometry. Change your draw size to edit your thickness. Like before, enable these curve brush settings for best results. Curve snap surface allows you to create and expand flat surface hugging geometry by bridging strokes. Avoid twisting by stroking in the same direction. Curve standard brush applies the standard brush along a curve. Press and hold either end of your curve and hold the shift key while dragging to draw out your stroke. Curve strap snap creates a flat strip of surface hugging geometry with thickness. Use your draw size to control the thickness of your mesh. Curve surface is a variant of the curve snap surface brush, with snapping disabled. Curve tri-fill will turn your editable curve into a triangulated flat piece of geometry with thickness. Curve tube allows you to create two meshes along an editable curve. Use the depth options here to control if and how deep your tube is embedded in your mesh. Curve tube snap creates surface snapping tubes along your surface.